Alright, let's see what's inside.
Beautiful box. There it is. The black bag. Boom.
Oh wow, look at that. That is awesome. Just a very nice watch all around. Third watch technically I've gotten from WatchGang. The past other two watches have been phenomenal.
It's an automatic phalandry. It's Japanese movement. Very cool. And I think right there you can actually see that deep blue. Very cool watch. I like the open heart. This is actually my first open heart watch.
And a really nice watch. This thing is a really nice watch. That is like a stylish survival watch. That is really cool. Looks very, very rugged, very impact resistant.
Ooh, the AVI 8. How dare you be this special? What? Look at that. Just because this looks like it came from Indiana Jones or something, his personal stash. Ooh, it's solid steel, limited edition. Wow. That is so nice.
Here you go. Got a nice red outer rim, got a nice bezel. I'm actually impressed with this one.
Let's see what we got from RGMT. Oh wow, this is a burly looking piece right here. I like the case that this came in. Honestly, I feel like I get my money's worth every month. It's kind of fun to get something new, different, unique. I like that textured dial, kind of a cool green. Man, I'm kind of digging this one.
This is a pretty nice watch. And this has a myotic quartz movement in it, so it's accurate, so that's all you can really ask for in a watch. And I think it looks really nice. It is made out of high quality materials, and overall I'm really pleased with it. I can't wait for my next WatchGang watch.